This is the app that I sent to you. So all you've got to do is download the app. The first thing we're going to play with is called the pickup coil, and here you've got a magnet and you've got lots of little plotting compasses arranged around the magnet so that you can see the direction of the magnetic field. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this magnet and pop it inside the coil, pull it out, in, out. These little blue dots represent electrons in the coil, and the lamp is lighting up to show you when current is flowing inside the coil. Now, what I'd like you to do is to have a little bit of a play with the strength of the magnet here, making the magnet stronger. You've seen the effect. Think about, try also how quickly you move the magnet in and out of the coil. Also, we can change the number of loops here. So here we've got 3 loops. And see the effect that has on the current that's flowing in the coil. And also, we can make the loops bigger. See what effect that has. And write down your observations about what effect changing each of these variables has. Then we have electromagnet, where we can see electrons going through. We can around the coil and the field that we have. We have a compass here that you can put in different places to see the direction, and plotting compasses show the field. We can change the potential difference, see the effect that has on the field, and we can change the direction of the current to see the effect that that has on the field. So what I'd like to do is for you to have a play and see and write down what effect changing each of these variables has. And then here, at the end, you can try with an alternating current power supply to see what that effect that has on the field from the electromagnet. And finally, here we have generator. You open the tap, you can change the amount of water that is flowing, and this turns the magnet. You see what effect that this have on the coil and the current that's being produced. I'd like you to play with the strength of our magnet, how fast it's turning by changing the amount of water that's turning the wheel, the number of loops on the coil, and you can change again the size of the coil. And I want you to note down in your notes what effects changing each of these has. Now, on Friday, what we'll do is we'll have a meeting on Google Meet, and we'll comment any questions or any doubts you've got about this, and I'll give you some notes for your books about the effects that changing each of these variables has. But for the moment, what I'm going to do is install this app on the computer, have a play with each of the parameters, and note down what effect changing each of the parameters has on the current produced. Okay?